Today I just want to show you a quick video of how I organize the laundry chores to make it a little easier for me. In my time as a professional organizer, one of the biggest complaints that I found for families is the laundry situation and how it can become so disorganized and so backed up so quickly. So I just want to show you a couple things that I do to help with my laundry process here. First thing is in the kids' room, I have this laundry basket, which 3 dividers, and I labeled on the side here darks, medium, and lights. And so when they put their clothes in the hamper, they help me to sort it. That doesn't always go as planned, but at least at the end of the week it helps me a little bit. Sometimes I have to switch things around and take things out, but it gives me a little bit of a head start. I keep it simple by only having 2 laundry baskets. One of them you can see I have right here. I have it propped up so when I take the clothes out of the washing machine to transfer it into the dryer, I'll take a bunch of stuff out, put it in the laundry basket, and then transfer it over to the dryer, and it's quicker that way. The other laundry basket, when I take the stuff out of the dryer, I put it into this laundry basket. And then immediately, so that things don't get wrinkled, I bring it over, place it onto a bench or something so it's easier to grab from, and I take the clothes out and put it into piles for each person in the house. So I start with the biggest person, dad, mom has a pile, first daughter, second daughter. And so immediately, while this stuff is still warm and not wrinkled, I place it onto their piles. It is not folded at this point, but I put it so that it doesn't get wrinkled. In the basket, I leave socks, little towels, napkins, anything like that, and those can be gone through last, but at least I don't have anything that's going to be wrinkled. Then at the end of the day, end of the laundry day, everybody takes their own pile to their room and they fold it and put it away themselves. My kids right now are 10 and 12 and they're completely capable of doing this and putting away their socks. For me right now, I have this table which doubles as a craft table for me, the laundry table, and so it's convenient for me to put my piles there. In a previous house when we didn't have a basement and I didn't have a laundry space, I had my washer and dryer were in a very small space. There was no room for a table. I used my bed. So in that situation, I would wash my sheets first, put my sheets back on my bed, make my bed, and then the following loads would be all the laundry. I try to get it done in one day so that at the end of the day, I would have piles for everybody. When the kids were younger, I would actually fold the clothes for them, and then, as they got older, I folded them, they put them away, and then now they fold themselves and put them away. So it's kind of evolved, but I do try and get laundry done in one day. It's not my favorite chore, but with doing these little things to help me stay organized, it's not as difficult, and help to get the family involved with the little things. They don't use laundry baskets to take them upstairs. They just carry their pile. A few other tips I have is just use any space that you have to hang your clothes. I do hang a lot of my own clothes, and I'll show you a few ways that I do that. The top of the dryer, usually I can dry one thing at a time, and it dries things quickly because it's so warm. And then I have the drying rack right next to the washing machine, or the dryer, excuse me. And that bag there is where I put trash from my crafts, but also the lint and those kinds of things. So it's very close by. And then I can put things on the drying rack, and I keep the coat hangers on the bottom to use for drying items. Right above that, I hang some of the dresses. If you don't have somewhere to hang it, you can just get a shower curtain rod or a coat hanger, not a coat hanger, a curtain rod, and hang it up. I just happen to have a pipe there that I use. I just don't put anything heavy on it. And then there's the table, and then on the other side I have these cabinets, and I'll just hang things right on there. It's nothing fancy. This is the basement, but I use the handles or the top of the doors and I'll hang things on there. So nothing fancy, but it's all very close by. I hope that's helpful to you. Typically on a weekend, I'll do a load of towels, darks, medium, lights, jeans, and I try and fit the sheets in with any of those loads if I can. If I cannot, then I'm doing a couple loads of sheets. In the summer, I can fit more in. And in the winter, I usually have to do more loads. And occasionally, on the weekends where I might have like a holiday, an extra holiday in there, or extra time, I'll do the things like the coats and the things that would take more time. I hope you found this helpful, and good luck with your laundry organizing.